Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove age restriction on Twitter. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up X on your mobile device. Tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings in Support. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Settings in Privacy. Go ahead and tap on Privacy and Safety. Now select Content You See. Enable the button that reads Display Media that may contain sensitive content. And that's it. This is how you remove age restriction from Twitter. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.